Jan Morgan from Chief Manufacturing. We're down at the InfoComm show in Orlando, Florida, and we're getting an education on the difference between the home entertainment applications and the commercial applications. Jan has been kind enough to walk me through the booth and has shown me some fairly unique things that you wouldn't normally see in a home. So Jan, maybe you could just give us some examples of how home entertainment and your commercial business would differ.
Okay, well thank you John, thank you for coming by. Yes, the difference between our commercial business and home theater business, we use the same components for the home and Pro AV. But for example, this mount, which is our Fusion mount, which has the height adjustable, will have the speaker mounts, which you can use both in the home and Pro AV. Only for the Pro AV market, we also have an additional camera shelf that can be used to do video conferencing. So the basic mount is the same. You can use the same side speakers, the center speakers, and the shelf for the home theater. But the Pro AV will do the additional shelf, will make it easier for the installer to use. So this one is a single conferencing, video conferencing solution. Now if you go to a dual one, you will see again we use the same basic mount, but now in the middle we have the conferencing shelf with the camera on it. We also could supply additional accessories that will allow the customer to use a CPU holder behind the screen, like we show roughly over here, where somebody will have a power conditioner behind the mount hanging. So if we now go over to the other side, where we again show the same kind of mount, but this time we'll show it in a video wall application. Again, the mount is basically the same. We have some features again where the mount can be adjusted up and down, but the bottom mount we mount upside down. What we do there is, by adjusting this up and down, you can make sure that the screens are getting close to each other, tight to each other. Here, for example, you'll see a 9-screen solution using the same mount.
So Jan, I'm almost starting to sense that home entertainment is really the starting point, and you're adding a whole lot more SKUs and accessories when you're going into the commercial side of it.
Absolutely correct. So there's more SKUs and accessories that come into the Pro AV, not only from a mount perspective, but as I said, the camera shelf, security option, cages around projector mounts, vibration adapters.
So what we're looking at here would be between the ceilings. So let's say in a school or whatnot.
School or boardrooms or big companies where...
So that's the ceiling right there.
This is the ceiling right here. Below you'll see the pipe with the projector.
Yeah.
But above the ceiling, you will probably need a platinum-rated junction box to supply power via Romex, where you can directly attach the power from the projector on. The same here. You might need to have additional room to have any devices in there above a dusty ceiling. The same is here for a junction box, where you have a lot of space to put any device in you need it. The same is when you're above a ceiling where air conditioning runs, you can have a lot of vibration, making the projector vibrate where the picture on the screen is not very clear. This device will take the vibration away take it away to make sure the picture is clear on the screen.
So you're not going to get a rattling picture.
And then we have our security options, which are used in classrooms, auditoriums and everything, to make sure that the projectors are there. It gives the director of the school or security that the projectors are not getting stolen easily.
Or even in a gym, it's not getting hit by a basketball.
Basketball or damaged correctly. Then, for example, in the home theater arena, you might not need a cart or a stand. This kind of solution is a dual video conferencing solution where you have room and space for any devices that needs to be locked up, and you can roll the cart around any conference room where you need it. So it's a mobile device that can be used.
So you're a big company and you've got 40 boardrooms in a corporate headquarters. Instead of buying 40 of these things, you might buy 10.
Yeah, 10 and roll them around from one room to the other room.
Right, okay, got it. And what's this thing?
This is a confidence card, we call, for people that can use it when they stand in front of a room where they do speaking. They can have a little screen rolling. They can have their presentation projected on this screen while it also is on the back of their screen, so they don't have to turn around every time to point something out to the screen. They can have it in front of them like a teleprompter to see what's going on.
So basically a teleprompter.
Yeah, correctly.
So you should do very well with the current Obama administration with this product.
We're trying.
That is terrific, Jan. You've really shown us the depth of your products and really how they differ from the home space.
Okay, thank you very much, Jan.
Thank you very much.